Have you ever wanted to access certain tools faster on your phone, like taking a screenshot without pressing the buttons? On the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can customize the quick panel and add more control, so your favorite tools are always easy to access. Let me show you how to do it. First, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick panel. Next, tap the pencil icon at the top right corner. At the bottom of the screen, tap Add Control. Now you will see a list of available control that you can add. For this example, let's tap Take Screenshot. The control will be added to your quick panel. By default, it will appear at the bottom of the current control. You can also adjust the shape of the control. By default, it appears as a small circle with an icon inside it. If you drag the handle on the right side, the control will expand into a rounded rectangle. It looks just like some of the other quick panel controls. If needed, you can also drag and drop the control to move it to a different position in the quick panel. If you want to add more tools, tap Add a control again and select another control from the list. Once you are done customizing your quick panel, tap the Done button at the top right to save the change. And that's it. Now you can quickly access tools like take screenshot directly from the quick panel on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, making everyday tasks much faster. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.